Onpassive is the new revolutionary business platform. Nothing is more important for a business or just a business enthusiast than having a genuine business solutions platform to keep the business safe and going smoothly. A genuine platform that is also able to keep your personal information private from any of the prying eyes we see on the internet. This time around we have a platform that is able to provide the promise with high standards, results and success. If this is something you are looking for, listen on as we explore what exactly Onpassive can offer you as a business owner or an entrepreneur. What is Onpassive? The word Onpassive has been considered as the next generation in the growing space of AI interneting technology. It is a creative technology firm that is focusing mainly on providing its various users with a friendly and innovative solution that has been coupled with the best customer service you will experience in the market. The company is all about making the impossible to be possible and developing various new concepts and also online technologies that have been able to shape the way different marketers think and function daily. They have also gotten the best group of programmers, marketers, software engineers and even media experts you can find in the market to make all this a success. The team of experts works tirelessly to ensure they are continuously improving the existing technologies and also introduce new ones that will help in revolutionizing the marketing and the online technology industries. The company wants to ensure they change how we have been doing marketing, making it a promising platform to be a part of as it is continuously evolving and growing. Onpassive's vision and mission. The company's primary vision is to ensure the platform is accessible to any individual around the world to provide offline businesses or persons that are struggling with the ability to enjoy the success of a revolutionary AI marketing, thus making it all truly a mainstream. The company's mission is to be a state-of-the-art, virtual company that will be able to provide you with exceptional service from the advanced technology they have in place and innovations they keep developing. But this is not all, as they hope also to allow their various customers to freely engage with the current online marketing with minimal to no hustles. Conclusion. Onpassive platform can be considered as the only platform that offers you as a user the one-stop solution. Once you are part of Onpassive, everything that a marketer needs to succeed is a few clicks and you're set. If you are looking to a smooth operation in the marketing world, then Onpassive is the platform you should be a part of. Also, with the continuous developments taking place all thanks to their innovative technology that offers you easy accessibility, scalability, security and all-round reliability, it is one you should grow with financially. Go ahead and be part of this community. A Bill Must production.